Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Matic from Crypto.com to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move assets smoothly between exchanges, and Matic, also known as Polygon, is a popular one for its speed and low fees. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and KuCoin, and that you have some Matic in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Typically, Matic uses the Polygon network for withdrawals to keep things efficient. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account using your app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select your Matic holdings. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there, front and center. Step 2. Enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on market conditions in 2025. Next, you'll need to input the destination wallet address. Head over to your KuCoin account, go to your deposit page, and copy the Matic wallet address from there. Paste it carefully into the Crypto.com withdrawal form to ensure accuracy. Typos here could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Review all the details. Check the amount, the address, and the estimated fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any two-factor authentication prompts for security. Once submitted, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to KuCoin and check your deposit history to confirm the Matic has arrived. Pro tip. Always use the Polygon network for Matic transfers to avoid extra costs, and never share your private keys. Wrapping this up, withdrawing Matic from Crypto.com to KuCoin is pretty simple once you know the steps, but always prioritize security in the ever-changing crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching.